Hello, in this video I will show you how to search in Microsoft Teams effectively. The search box in the top is the main tool to find something in Teams. There are also filters options to sort and modify results too. You can even use some keyboard shortcuts and keyword query language to get the desired results easily. So let me show you some easy ways to make your search in Microsoft Teams. To use Microsoft Teams, all you need is to get a desktop version of the Microsoft Teams downloaded and install it in your desktop and log in with your ID. The easiest way to do a search in Microsoft Teams is to use the search box at the top. Just click on the search box and uh, search for any user or file or any word. You can use the search box to search messages, files, and many more. So let's search username Becky. Yeah, you can either choose the user here, or here are the group chats, uh, which is uh, I have in which this user is involved. So I am just making this search and see the full results here. So in the left side, you will see all the results with this particular keyword. Here I'm using the name of the user. So as you can see, there are messages, conversations in chats, in channels, and one-on-one conversations are there. There are also groups chats listed here. So that's one of the easiest ways to search in Microsoft Teams. I also wish to show you how to search between a chat between you and a user. Say, I want to search among my chats with Justin. So you can just search for Justin here and choose people from the left side and choose a particular user. Yeah. And once you are in the chat window, uh, press Ctrl F. This is a shortcut that allows you to search only in this particular chats. So I'm just going to search the word account and press enter. So you will get all the results in the left side in which the word account is included in your chats. So you can just scroll down and choose which one uh, you want to find. And you can also use this Control F search to find anything or want to perform a particular search just inside a particular marketing channel or group chat too. So this works in both group chats, one-on-one chats, and also marketing channels. Let's perform a search using the Control F shortcut um, in one of our channels, marketing weekly marketing projects. So let's press Control F. So the chat is ready. Let's search the word team in this channel. There is one post here that includes the channel. Yeah, this is the particular results that I got. So that's how we can use Control F shortcut. Next, let's see how we can modify the results using the filters and other modifiers. So let's make a search first. Justin. Let's search Justin at the top. Here is the keyword. Yeah. So when we search a result along with top results and other results, you can see three tabs at the top, that is messages, people, and files. If you want to see results that includes um, include the keyword in messages or conversations, you should choose the tab messages. Or if you want to choose the user, you have to click on people. So as you can see, there are two accounts that are in the name of that particular user. So I'm seeing this, and if you wish to see, or if you are searching for documents that uh, this particular user sent you, or you have sent them, or uh, if you are searching for files that you both are included in any kind of engagement, you need to choose files. So and after that, there are also other filters available, like you can choose who actually sent this. You can choose a name of the user if you wish. So you can choose from, yeah. So uh, in different conversations, there are few matches, as you can see here. You can also choose type. I'm choosing channel. Yeah. So the results is a little more filtered now. There are also other filters you can use, like there is subject you can set. You can choose date. You can choose conversations or files involved in a particular team or channels. Or you can also choose at mentions or files or posts with attachments. After setting up the last month, after setting up all the filters, you can just click filter. So that result will be shown here. As per our current filter, there are no matches, so it is not showing any results. And next thing you can try is the keyword query language. This actually helps to make your result a lot more easier, but there are different ways to search in Microsoft Teams. This is one way. You can either choose this or you can choose the other options. So it is easy, or it's actually good to know all the options so that you can try different ways in different situations. So let me show you some of the search query language terms. So if you want to choose, oh, sorry, if you want to search for a file which is sent by a particular user, you just need to enter this particular search query that is from, and just type in a name. I'm choosing Arena. Just enter the name, and as you can see, all chats that will be coming up with Alna involved. And if you want to search in a particular channel or group chat, you can use the in term and choose weekly. Yeah. So these are all the files that or the conversation or results found when I'm choosing uh, a weekly term, which is actually weekly marketing projects team. And you can also search the date in which a message is sent, and type in the date. Sent is another term which can be used to get all the search results which is found on a particular date, or messages sent on that particular date. So I'm just entering a date 5/4. Let's see what results it bring. Yeah, these are some of the results. But by entering more specific date, you can get uh, more ideal results. And if you wish to search among subject lines of channel conversations or keywords from subject lines of channel conversations. You can search subject and uh, strategy. Let's search strategy. Oh, spelling. Yeah, let's search again. Now let's see if there is any matching. Yes, yeah, there are a few matches for it too. So that's how you can use the search term queries or keyword query language for searching. And another way you can improve your search capability is by choosing the activity tab. So here actually it shows all your activities in your particular team's channel or sorry team's account. So as you can see, this is a feed which shows you the calls you missed, the reactions you got for your messages, all your uh, activities and processes you are included, all the notifications actually. And you can also click on the feed next, the arrow next to the feed, and choose my activity. So it shows all activity you have performed. Here it is actually showing all the uh, replies I have provided in one of the channels. So let's go back to the feed and let's see how to filter the feed. So you can choose anything here, type to filter. Let's type marketing. Strategy, yeah. So while filtering all the activities, I just got one result for the strategy term. So that's how you can filter the feed. And another method is to click on the more options, and you can choose options like unread, mentions, reply, reactions, missed call, voicemail, apps. So by clicking on at mentions, you can see only the at mentions you were mentioned in any of the files. Just click on the into icon to cancel it and choose replies. So here you will, by this you will see all the replies you got, and you can also choose other options to filter your activities more precisely. So that's how that works. And there are also a settings option here. You can click on it and make necessary changes to these options so that you will get more better results and feeds. That's actually how you can use Microsoft Teams more effectively, or to make your search more effective. You can use all these shortcuts, search options, filters, modifiers, etc. effectively. Hope you got a basic idea about how search works in Microsoft Teams. Hope you like this video. Please let us know your comments in the comment section. Have a good day.